Gianna, thank you. 6:03 right now. KPIX 5's Ann Makovic has been keeping an eye on that levee breach in Nevada all morning long. Ann.
Yeah, and the closures of the westbound lanes of 37 here in Nevada, that happened overnight. So real rude awakening for a lot of the commuters you see behind me. These are people who are diverted off of the highway, now taking a detour from Atherton to 101. And of course, as the volume picks up this morning, that is going to become more of an issue. But here's a look at some of that flooding we have been talking about. This is from our drone taken yesterday afternoon. The levee breached in two places yesterday, both near 37, and a second levee has water spilling over the top right near Pacheco Pond in Nevada. Here's a look at a map of that area if you're not familiar. The levee breaks happen near Harbor Drive and Marsh Road. Nevada Creek is flooding right now into the fields nearby, which is normal, but with all of this rainfall that we've been seeing, those fields have become inundated and the water has been flowing onto the roadway. So again, the detour there is Atherton to 101. That's what these people are taking. But we're watching the volume back up more and more as the morning goes on. Live in Nevada, Ann Makovic, KPIX 5.